Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn our new lesson. It's Snake Charmer's story. It's Snake Charmer's story. The interesting lesson is this. All of you listen. In this lesson, we discussed about the relationship and interdependence of snake charmer and its snake. The relationship and interdependence of a snake charmer and a snake. In this lesson, we discussed about the relationship and the interdependence of a snake charmer and a snake. Here in this lesson, a story is given about a snake charmer. A story about a snake charmer. We know that snakes are reptiles. Snakes are reptiles. In our surroundings, we can see so many types of snakes are there. So many types of snakes are there. Some snakes are poisonous or venomous, or some are not venomous. Okay. Then different types of snakes are found in our country. In our country, there are different types of snakes are present. In our country, there are different types of snakes are present. All snakes are not poisonous. All snakes are not poisonous or venomous. Some snakes are poisonous or venomous. There are 4 types of snakes are present in venomous. 4 poisonous snakes are present in our country. In our country, there are varieties of different types of snakes are there. There are 4 types of snakes are poisonous or venomous. There are 4 types of snakes. 4 types of snakes are present. In our country are present. Okay. The 4 snakes are poisonous snake. The 4 snakes are poisonous snake. First snake name is cobra. First snake name is cobra. The second one is common crate. Common crate. Second one is common crate. Next, third one is Russell's viper. Russell's viper. It has another name, Dubois. Then fourth snake's name is saw-scaled viper. Saw-scaled viper. Affine. Its another name is affine. All of you listen. In our country, in our surroundings, there are different types of snakes are present. Snakes are reptiles. And in the previous lesson, we learned about the snakes. Snakes have no ears, but how they communicate, how they understand the enemies are coming through their movements. They find the enemies are coming. In our country, there are different types of snakes are present. There are 4 types of. All snakes are not venomous or poisonous. All snakes are not venomous or poisonous. There are 4 types of snakes are venomous in our country. There are not venomous. 4 types of snakes are venomous. First snake name is cobra. Second one is common crate. Third one is Russell's viper. Dubois, another name. Then fourth one is saw-scaled viper. Affine. These 4 snakes are poisonous. These 4 snakes by person's body. By person's body. The hollow teeth the hollow teeth or fangs help the snakes to inject the poison or venom into the by person's body. By person's body. Inject the poison into the by person's body. We know that in our surroundings we can see forest. Inside the forest, so many snakes are there. Poisonous snakes like a cobra or saw-scaled viper or etc. We can see that. Okay, if a person is moving near the snake, if the snake attacks or bites the person, if the hollow teeth, that means the fangs help the snake to inject the poison present inside the mouth of the snake to where to the bite person's body. Okay, bite person's body. The hollow teeth means fangs help the snakes to inject poison into the bite person's body. Okay, next one. Then we know if a person is bite by a snake, if it has medicines present in all government hospitals, the medicine for snake bites are present. Medicine for snake bite are present in all government hospitals. The medicine for snake bites in all government hospitals. The medicine for snake bite is available. Okay, the medicine is made from the poison of snakes also. Snakes. The medicine is made from the medicine is made from the poison of snake. Poison of snake itself. The medicine is made from the poison of snake itself. The medicine is made from the poison of snake itself. It is available already in all. Sorry, it is available in all government hospitals. It is available in all government hospitals. Okay, once again, in this lesson we will discuss about a snake charmer's story. A snake in this lesson indicates the relationship and interdependence between the snake charmer and a snake. A snake charmer and a snake. We know that in our surroundings snakes are present. Different types of snakes are present in our country. There are loads of snakes are present. Variety of snakes are present in different names and different names, and their structures are also different. But all snakes are not poisonous. 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 There are 4 types of snakes are present in poisonous. Venomous snakes are 4 types. First one is cobra. Then second one is common crane. Then Brussels viper. And another name is Dubois. Next fourth one saw-scaled viper or afai. Saw-scaled viper or afai. Then inside the mouth of a snake we can see that a hollow structured teeth we can see inside the mouth of a snake. The hollow teeth help the snakes to inject the poison into the bite person's body. The hollow teeth helps the snakes to inject the poison to the bite person's body. If a person bite by a snake, they take him to a hospital, nearby government hospital for medicines. All government all snakes bites are admitted to a government hospital for medicines. These medicines are made from the poison of snakes itself. The poison of snake itself. Okay, we know that the government produced a law against the protection of the government produced a law for the protection of snakes or wild animals. If any persons keep the wild animals without obeying the laws produced by the governments, he will face a lot of problems. The tease or hurting animals is not a good habit. It's a bad habit. It is a bad habit. The government says that keeping wild animals is not a good habit. It's not a good habit. Okay. Then in the lessons, we know that if a snake bites us at the spot, some snakes, poisonous snake bite us at the spot, and in that spot, some persons may cause death. Some persons may cause death. Some persons is alive. Some persons still alive. Okay. Then in this lesson, a story about snake charmer's story. Snake charmer's story. Here, I am Aryanath. I can do something special which I am sure none of you can do. Do you know what? I can play the beat. I can play the beat. Here is a story about a snake charmer. The forefathers of snake charmers give a gift for their daughter, for their son, or for their daughter or sons as a snake. Then, yes, I can make snakes dance by playing the beat. In the family of a snake charmers, all persons have the ability to play beat. I have learned this art from my family members. The little children also have the ability to play beat. From where they get these abilities? From their forefathers. It's a hereditary ability get from their forefathers. We people are known as Kalbelias. The peoples included in the Charmers family called them as Kalbelias. Okay. My grandfather Roshan Nathji was famous amongst our people. In Aryanath family, Roshan Nathji was famous amongst our family, the Charmers family. He could easily catch many poisonous snakes. His grandfather, Aryanath's grandfather, caught different types of poisonous snakes easily. He tells me many stories about his past. Come listen to his story in his own words. Here, he tells me many stories about his past. His grandfather told him about many stories about the snakes catching. Here is a story about the Aryanath's grandfather. Dadaji remembers. From the time of my grandfather and great grandfather, we have always been served as snake charmers. They are called them as snake charmers. Snakes have been an important part of our life. Snakes have been an important part of our life. We know that the snakes are very helpful for farmers. For how they help farmers. They eat rats. They eat rats in the farm. Okay. The field. They eat rats in the field for what they eat rats for helping the farmers from if If the snakes helps the farmers for what? They eat the rats present in the field. If the rats are present, the rats will eat the crops and they destroy the crops. If the snakes eat the rats, the crops will grow easily. Okay. Then we used to move from village to village carrying our snakes in bamboo baskets. The charmers keep the snakes in a bamboo basket. The charmers keep the snakes in a bamboo basket. Whenever we stopped in a village, a crowd would gather around us. We would then take out our snakes from our baskets. The snake charmers going around the village to village. If they standing if they standing here and there, the crowd increased around them for seeing the snakes present in their hand. Even after the show, people would stay on. They knew that in our tin box there were many types of medicines for them, and also the people know that in the charmer's hands a snake is present inside the bamboo basket. If they go somewhere and take the snakes and playing beam and making dance with the snake, they dance by snakes, and also in their hands there are a lot of medicines are present. We made these medicines from plants collected from the forest. The charmers collected these medicines from where? Forest. These medicines from forest. I had learned all this from my grandfather. The Adinath learned all this from where? Adinath, and also his grandfather also learned this from where? Their grandfather. I felt nice that I could help people with my medicines even if doctors and hospitals were far off. We know that some people live in villages, in urban areas. There are less number in hospitals for snake bites or any other diseases. If a person is affected by a snake bite, he cannot generally go to a hospital. He does not go to a hospital. The charmers help that people for medicines. Then in return, people would give us some money or food grains. In this way, we could manage our life. How the charmers family manage their life? If they give medicines for peoples, they give grains or money. For these grains are used for their survival, for their life. Sometimes I was called to places where someone had been bitten by a snake. From the marks of the bite, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the person. I would then give a medicine for that. But I have not always been on time to help. Where someone had been bitten by a snake, if a person is bitten by a snake, the Adinath grandfather have the ability to identify which snake is bitten by the person and give medicine for him. Some snakes bites can even cause death on the spot. Some snakes can even cause death on the spot. But most of the snakes are not poisonous. We know that, we discussed about that. In our country there are different types of snakes are present. There are 4 types of snakes are venomous or poisonous. Cobra, which are they? Cobra, Russell's viper, then common cranes, then saw-scaled viper. Viper are the poisonous or venomous snakes. These type of snakes are bite by a person. The person causes death on the spot. But most of the snakes are not poisonous. Sometimes when some farmers would come running for help, shouting snake, I would catch that snake. After all, catching snakes was something I had been doing since my childhood. We know that in the forest or in the farmer's field or inside the crops, we can see so many snakes are present. For what these snakes are present in the crop field? For eating rats. It will help the farmers. For eating rats. It will help the farmers for good cultivation of that crops. On those were the good days. He could help a lot of people in many ways. The charmers were helped. In the Arinath grandfather helped lot of people in many ways. He also entertained them. They also entertained the peoples around them by playing bean with the snakes. It was not like today when everyone watches TV for environment. We know that in today our society is improved by all developments or techniques. So they spend their extra time with TV, mobiles, internet, etc. When I grew older, my father taught me how to remove their poisonous teeth. The Arinath and his Arinath's grandfather taught him what he grew older. He taught him how to remove the poisonous teeth. What the name of the poisonous teeth? Fangs. Fangs. It is a hollow teeth, hollow like structured teeth. He also taught me how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. That the Arinath's grandfather teach him how to remove the poisonous teeth inside the mouth of snake, and also close the tube of poison in the mouth, snake's mouth. Okay, here. Then Arinath, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. He learned to play the bean without being taught. The Arinath traveled with his father with his farmer. He learned to play the bean without being taught. Arinath's father doesn't taught Arinath to play bean. He learned to play the bean without being taught. These days it is difficult. We know that the government produced a law for the protection of wild animals. If anybody keeps wild animals in their hands, they become more. They have faced more problems. Then now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skins, their fats, then their skins, their hairs, etc., their horns for high prices. So they made a law against this. The government produced a law against this. We people have never killed snakes. The Chalmers family, the peoples included in the Chalmers family that do not kill the snakes and sold their skin. Do not kill the snakes and sold the Kalbelias family. The Kalbelias family is the members including the Kalbelias family do not hurt any snakes. They do not hurt any snakes, or they do not kill any snakes, or they do not sold their skin. People say that we keep the snakes in bad conditions. Some people say that the Kalbelias family members keep the snakes in bad conditions. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes. But we should never do that. Snakes are our treasure. The Kalbelias says that the Arinath and his grandfather says that the snakes are their treasures. They do not kill the snakes. Then we pass on from one generation to generation. Then if we even gift snakes to our daughters when they get married. The Kalbelias family give gift to their daughters for their marriage. Snakes are the gift. In our Kalbelia dance, we also have movement similar to the dance of the snake. In our Kalbelia dance, we also have movements similar to the dance of the snake. Arinath you will have to make a different life for yourself. You have got your father's gift of playing the bean. You and your cousins can form a bean party and entertain people. But do not waste this knowledge about snakes you have got from your elders. We know that we all have such a knowledge about the snakes. Okay, help them to recognize poisonous snake. The Aryanath. In this lesson, the Aryanath help us. The Aryanath help us how he help us. They help to recognize different poisonous snakes and its peculiarities and the relationship and interdependence between a snake charmer and a snakes. Snake charmer and a snakes. These all things are included in this lesson. This is a small lesson. And then in this lesson we learn about snakes, the relationship and interdependence of a snake charmer and a snake. We know that in our country there are different types of snakes are present. All snakes are not poisonous. There are 4 types of snakes are present. They are poisonous: cobra, common crane, Roosevelt viper, saw-scaled viper, etc. Saw-scaled viper. These are poisonous. If a person bite by a snake, we already go to hospital or government hospital for immediate medicine. For a snake bite, the medicine is made from the snake's poisons itself. Inside the mouth of a snake, there is a hollow structured teeth is present. The hollow structured teeth is help the bite person. Sorry, not help the bite person. Help the snakes to inject the poison into the bite person's body. Okay, students. In this lesson, our lesson is over. This is a small lesson. So all of you read the textbook very well. Okay, thank you.